Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. You already know this is the first unboxing on this channel. I'm so excited about it. So I got the Howork Stand mixer and I'm going to be doing the unboxing with you guys. Now I really do love the color. I love the fact that it is a red stand mixer. I was trying so hard to get this product out of this box so I didn't get to ruin it. I was being extra careful. And after several minutes of trying, I was finally able to get it out of the box without ruining it. If you're new here, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. It will help my channel go a long way. Thank you. I had to tilt and bend the box so I was able to bring out the stand mixer carefully. Voila! We finally did it. I really do love the color. Now I'm going to be showing you some of the parts it came with. I actually do not know what this is called, but please, if you know, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you. I love the size of the mixing bowl. The size of the mixing bowl, actually it's an 8-liter mixing bowl, which is very big. It also came with an egg white separator, a beater, a whisk, and a dough hook. I cannot wait to start using this product and show you guys the amazing baking recipes that will make using it. That's not all. It also came with an electrical cord, of course, because it is an electrical appliance. Also a scraper and a manual. Thank you all so much for watching. See you in my next